Hi everyone, it's me Jamshed Raza from professionaltutorial.com, and in this tutorial I will show you that how you can transfer your data from iPhone to PC. But while I'm transferring that, I got an error, and we will check that how we will solve that error. And here is how we are just going to do that one. Now for example, I am going to attach my data cable to my that phone, and now you can see that I have just now it is connected, and iTunes is also came here, and here I have my iPhone, Jamshed's iPhone, or you can come into this PC and you will find that there is Jamshed iPhone. And here I will come to Jamshed storage, and here is my storage file, and I'm going to copy, for example, that file to desktop. And you can see that now I got an error, and that is saying error copying file or folder, and the device is unreachable, and it means that is not working fine. And that is a big problem for me while I was just copying that one. I did many research on that tutorial, on that issue, on that error, on that problem, but I didn't find any solution. But there was no hardware or software problem. But as you can see that I have that data cable, and while I have just changed my that data cable with this one, with the new one, I just tell you that here, and I'm going to just attach that one. And as you can see that now it is again coming here in this PC, and I have Jamshed's iPhone internal memory, and here are the files, and I just copy that one and paste here in desktop. Let me just close my iTunes and paste here, and now you can see now it is working all right and fine. And I got the file too, and that file is here in my folder, and which is going to be here, and that one which is img008.mov, img008.mov. And it means that there is nothing special, you just need to change your that data cable, and it solved my problem, and I think that it will solve your problem as well. And again, if you get any problem, then you can also change the port in your computer which you have just connected with your PC or laptop. You can change that one as well. Again, if you got that problem, just write in comment box below, and I will just give you the way which I have researched for that problem. And for me it is working, like changing the cable, and everything is now all right. I hope it solved your problem. If you like that video, please thumbs up that video, and don't forget to share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed yet, click the subscribe button right now for more upcoming amazing videos. Thank you so much. It's me Jamshed Raza. Goodbye.